My lord, this is my affidavit of service. My lord, apparently, right from the very inception, since there is a 498A matter, it would seem that there is a matrimonial dispute. But the impugned proceeding before your lordship is prima facie, my lord, with regard to, my lord, this alleged, my lord, 10 gold amounting to rupees 10 lakhs have been taken away by the wife, and they are a gang comprising of certain persons who pose themselves as Central Crime Bureau officers. And now, my lord, it is evident from the report, my lord, kindly comes once to the report, a police report that is appearing at page 66. That is an inquiry, that's a report by the inquiry officer at page 66. I'll cut short the matter.
How many addresses does your
Yes,
wife
yes,
have?
yes. That is very surprising, and I had to survey it in almost 4 addresses, in which one address she received.
He also, mother, I'm appealing for the wife.
And she received in one. Yes. Now she's absconding and she's appearing before this court of law. She is an absconder. A proceeding against her is pending. She is an absconder and she is now appearing. Now the difficulty is that, my lord, a proceeding under section 498A was prima facie. At the very outset, it was initiated. Subsequently, the father of that lady lodged a complaint against her, saying that she's extorting money, and the complaint of the father said that she was carrying huge sum of gold ornaments. It's there in the complaint of the father as page 37. Page 37 is the complaint of the father, in which she has lodged a complaint of extortion against her daughter and the other associates, wherein he says that surprisingly huge amount of gold ornaments were lying with her. I have also made the branch manager of
What
II.
do you want?
But I want the investigating agency to be transferred from the police to the any other specialized agency by the state police, but the state administration, not the police. Because the police has not been able to, because that person who posed as a Central Crime Bureau officer, he was once brought to the police station, he was left. Police feared that since he's a Central Crime Bureau officer, he might do something to them, and he fled away from there. And my lord, this is a very big gang. I have also made the IIFL branch manager a party. There is a master guideline by the Reserve Bank of India, wherein it says that huge sum of gold ornaments cannot be taken and mortgaged like this without any process of law. And they have done without anything. And the police have actually done nothing, because they know the golds were kept with IIFL, and subsequently the person where they are residing, police knows everything. No arrest, nothing. In the meantime, what has happened? On 2 occasions, this person tried to move a bail application before the additional chief judicial magistrate Barakpur. Now, there is a very common practice in Barakpur court. Once the court says that I'm not inclined to grant bail, what the court does is returns the bail petition, says that you not proceed, I'm not going to record anything. This was on twice occasion this happened. And this is what the entire state of affair is. Gold amounting to rupees 10 lakhs. This person posed as Central Crime Bureau officers.
Tell me, is the gold yours?
Yes. It's mine. I have lodged a complaint. It's my mother's actually. The bills and everything was submitted. A notice under section 91 was submitted to the police authority. Based on that section 91 notice, I submitted all the documents. My lord, it would be evident, my lord, at page. This is the season list that was granted to me, page number 74 and 75. The notice under section 91 and the season list subsequent that.
And who are posing as the crime branch officers?
Yes, my lord, kindly sees it's not something which page number 66 comes to the police report. The petition under section 156(3) had filed before the court of the additional chief judicial magistrate, an inquiry report pursuant to that. At the very last 3 lines. After that, Babaidhar, Riya Pututundu, Shubham Datto, Tonima Chaudhary came at IIFL and took all the gold ornaments by representing themselves as Central Crime Bureau officer. But this is not a very easy thing, my lord. The police can let go. These persons are impersonating themselves, my lord. This has to be handed over
Say
to...
that they are not the crime branch.
No.
They are not a gang.
Yes. This has to be taken from the police authorities and handed over to the CID, or I'm not praying any other agencies, but to the CID at least.
Yes.
This has to be thorough.
Several allegations by the husband against the wife. Now the husband says
Not of the wife.
Now the husband says the wife is
The acquaintances, friends.
an affair with the person whom he is claiming to be the Central Bureau officer. I don't know.
No, I'm not claiming. It's a police
No,
report also
that
claims.
is what he has been claiming. That is what his
No, but then your report says so.
But it does not say specifically that during the investigation it has been found that they have been posed as a they have posed themselves as
Your police officer mentions that they
Well,
took away
please.
the gold by representing themselves as
That is
central.
the allegation, Milord.
No,
That is the allegation.
no.
Now the
If one does not
You
read the
You
brief
are
properly,
misreading it.
Milord,
yes, it's absolutely a misleading report.
father-in-law confirmed that he has saw the his wife, the petitioner's wife, carrying some gold.
That
Now
means father
gold
sees
has
the
been
daughter.
gold has been now that it is admitted fact that gold has been mortgaged with the bank. It's mortgaged with the bank. So
It was.
it has been mortgaged.
It was because it says that the gold has been taken away.
Subsequent
No, no,
there too. Yes, 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 yes. Don't
He took
mislead
away
the
the
court.
gold, and that has been mortgaged with the bank. That is
No,
the case of the
subsequently
petitioner.
taken away. No,
Milord, kindly come to the
Please
Relation,
come
right?
to
Milord.
page 66.
Milord, kindly see this, Milord.
Page
Na,
66, please see. Last three lines of.
Milord, page 12 of the Milord writ petition,
Don't
paragraph 14.
forget whatever there is page
Hello.
12. Page 66. It is your police officer's report,
Yes.
which has been submitted before the court.
Hello. Milord, it says, Milord, on 11/8/20.
Last three lines of the first paragraph.
3 lines, Milord. On 15/3, at about 11.
No, last three lines.
Page 66. Milord.
Yes. Go down. Go to the bottom.
Priya came to the IFL and took all gold ornaments missing. Confirmed that he saw huge gold amounts of and came to IFL and took all gold ornaments representing themselves. Milord, this part, Milord, I have to, Milord, verify whether the
No,
gold
I
amount is
tell
with
you
the
because
bank or whether
No, it's not
what
with
is
the bank now.
the statement.
1 minute.
There are two statements coming from the police. Milord.
My lord,
Is your wife, is your client a crime bureau officer?
no, my lord, your lordship kindly consider, my lord, if my lord, I mortgaged my gold and taken some money and thereafter I
Return the money and take back.
And third set of flat.
Why? I was representing myself as a Central Bureau of Investigation. If my lord, those golds are mine, I have mortgaged it. Why? What was the purpose? Why I was representing myself as a Central Bureau of Investigation officer, my lord? My lord, I'm submitting, my lord. This case is totally false. Why? My lord, your lordship kindly consider the dates, my lord. On 10th August, my lord, 2023, I was brutally tortured by my husband, my lord. And I, along with my two minor children, my lord, I left my house and went to my father's and lodged a complaint. FIR was registered against the husband and my in-laws, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, I went to my father's house. My father did not support me, my lord, and requested me to came back to my matrimonial house. My lord, I did not agree with my father, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, the father lodged an FIR, my lord. Your lordship kindly see page 36, my lord. What is the contention of the FIR? Page 37. The written complaint is page 37, my lord.
No, 1 minute. You say that the gold was yours and you've taken it back.
My lord, subsequently, what happened, my lord? Thereafter,
Where from did you get the money to get the gold back? To pay back the loan? Where from did you get the money?
my lord, that is my lord. I have no instruction regarding whether I have released those golds or not. My lord, my lord, I am submitting it because my lord, the gold is mine. I have mortgaged it, and when I will came to release it, why I will represent myself as a investigating CBI officer. My lord.
But there is a limit.
1 minute.
Subsequently, what happened? Your lordship kindly consider why it is false case, my lord. Subsequently, my lord, on 2nd September 2023, my lord, I was threatened by my husband to withdraw the criminal case against her under section 498A, my lord. And my lord, I was attacked by acid, my lord. Thereafter, I lost another complaint, my lord, which was registered as an FIR. My husband was arrested. He was in custody for some days on regarding that case. My lord, why it was happened? Because I was threatened to withdraw my case, but I didn't withdraw, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, what happened, my lord? The husband, my lord, lost another complaint that I have taken huge gold, my lord. My lord, my contention is that, my lord, in the FIR lodged by the father stated here that he had shown 3 bags. The
4 bags.
her daughter my lord, brings from her matrimonial house, and out of the 4 bags, 1 bag there are gold, my lord, huge gold. My lord, in that FIR, after investigation, the police has submitted charge sheet, and my lord, no case has been made out, my lord, and police submitted the FRD in that case. My lord, since my lord, in that case, the police has,
What does your client do?
my lord, he is nothing. He is not doing anything, my
The
lord.
wife is, she is a housewife,
Housewife
homemaker.
My lord, dear, prior to your lordship saying
1
something,
minute.
My lord,
my lord, prior to
now,
Where from is she getting the money to release all the gold ornaments?
no, my lord, I'll just say one thing. My lord, a person should come to court with clean hands. Now, my lord, see what kind of this misleading attitude is happening. This is an affidavit in a 125 proceeding by her, signed by her, wherein she says she has no gold. That is the affidavit by her. And to what extent she is misleading this court? She says about the acid attack. Charge sheet was submitted, there was no acid attack. I, on the contrary, have a pen drive.
1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute.
your lordship kindly see.
I have a pen drive wherein it was seen that she was engaged in a conspiracy, says that ke eta marbe, ke chudbe. I had sent a letter to the police authorities along with that pen drive to verify the veracity of those allegations.
Your lordship kindly see the charge sheet, my lord. Here it has been specifically stated, কিছু ভাঙা কাচের টুকরো যাহা কোনো কিছু করে মনে হয়।
I am also taking steps on that with regard to the conspiracy that was hatched up.
He's saying that.
Kindly see, this is one of my complaints that I have lodged because he is saying something because I should bring this to your lordship's attention.
Earlier occasion on the same allegations, police.
But this has to be transferred, my lord. They are a gang and they comprise,
Who are these people? Do you know them?
I'm submitting. Those people are the common friends of wife, my lord. They help
Common friends of the wife.
her, my lord, and why they have been implicated in this, my lord, in this FIR, because they are the witness in the 498A case and the acid attack case, my lord. Your lordship kindly see the charge sheet, my lord.
conspirator.
Only that reason, my lord, they have been
Hmm.
in this FIR, my lord.
Where are the names?
My lord,
Page.
these are- my lord, respondent number.
Respondents I can see, but then show the names
Yes,
in
my
the
lord.
FIR.
Yes, my lord.
Charge sheet is witness.
My lord, he has been treated as a witness, my lord. Babai Dhar and Shubham Dotto in the case of, my lord, FIR number 355 498A case. Babai Dotto and Shubham Dotto and Babai Dhar. And my lord, in the acid attack case,
I have a pen drive wherein the conspiracy was going on. I have sent it to the police authorities to verify the veracity of this allegation. কে ওই কাঁচের বাটিতে জলটা ছুড়বে and all these were recorded in a video footage that was sent to the police authorities to verify the veracity of those. I am taking steps on that accordingly.
Did you forward your report? Did you get, do you have a copy of the report with you? Police report.
My lord,
Police report. Let me see.
with regard, there are 3 police stations, my lord.
No, the
which has
impugned
been, my lord,
police,
there are three
impugned is
police
the
stations with different cases, my lord. Now, he is on the case of the
Khorda.
Khorda.
একটা কপি দিও না।
একটাই আছে আমার কাছে, থাক পরে নিবি। বেশি কিছু নেই, ইনভেস্টিগেশন চলছে তো। The board be
How big are your children? How big are your children?
7 years old.
Both,
They were abducted.
7 years.
both 7 years, twins.
twins.
One girl child and one boy. Like I have already.
And what does the petitioner do? What does he do?
But it is a businessman by occupation. But one thing I would humbly submit, but as the wife had taken a stand that the gold belongs to her, now that is completely a lordship has seen the affidavit in the 125 wherein she has categorically stated on oath that she has no gold of her own. Now, my lord, I am on a different aspect. My lord, this is something which is much more bigger than this. Persons impersonating as Central Crime Bureau officers conducting such kind of activities that has to be looked into. And because the police is not, I humbly beseech your lordship on any other state functionaries, that is the CID or the any other specialized wing, let it be investigated.
Let the police come up with the explanation as to what with regard to this, then we will see what is to be done.
My lord.
Which page did you show me that?
My lord, the police report,
Yes.
page 66.
66. Please come. The petitioner alleges that his wife, that his estranged wife, being the respondent number 7 herein, along with the respondent numbers 8 to 11,
I am appearing 7, 9, 10, 11.
are 8 to 11 are running a racket and impersonating people. As well as they are involved in several other illegal activities. Stop. In support of impersonation, the petitioner refers to the report forwarded by the officer of the Khorda police station, signed on 21st of April 2024 before the learned Additional Chief Judicial Magistrate Barakpur in MP case number 315 of 2024, wherein it has been mentioned that the private respondents visited IIFL and took away all gold ornaments by representing themselves as Central Crime Bureau officers.
Financial institution actually.
Paragraph, it has been submitted that the police, without verifying the identity of the said persons, now, it has been submitted that the police ought to have verified the identity of the said persons. Stop. The paragraph, according to the petitioner, the police of the Khorda police station may not be able to handle the subject case, as several persons are involved in the gang of cheating and duping people. Stop. Paragraph. Learned advocate representing the private respondent numbers 7.
7, my lord, I am not appearing.
Huh?
7, 8, I am not appearing. 7, 9, 10, and 11.
7, 9, 10, and 11. Submits upon instruction that the
जो complaint था वो complaint को यहाँ पे गधा करके लिख के भेज दो।
petitioner, being the husband of the respondent number 7,
तो complaint के ऊपर नीचे रखा
has
है।
approached the court with unclean hands.
ये क्या चोरी?
Stop.
report नहीं है।
There is a proceeding under section 498A IPC pending against the petitioner, and the private respondents are the witnesses of the said case. Stop. Only to threaten the witnesses, the instant writ petition has been filed. Paragraph.
My lord, not only with petition, my lord, the instant FIR has been lodged.
And the instant and the subject FIR has been lodged. Paragraph. Learned advocate representing the private respondent submits that the gold ornaments belong to the respondent number 7, and by repaying the loan amount, the respondent number 7
Those ornaments are Sridhan, my lord.
are
Sridhan, my lord.
Sridhan. আচ্ছা আর দি কি বললাম ওটা আগেরটা
The gold ornaments belong to the respondent number 7.
7 as her Sridhan articles, and by repaying the loan amount, the private respondent number 7 released the gold ornaments. Stop. Paragraph. It has been submitted that the respondent number 7 is a housewife. Stop. Does she have any income on her own?
Now she's doing a small garments business, my lord.
Okay.
125 proceeding is pending, my lord.
Yes, my lord.
125 proceeding is pending, wherein the affidavit she has stated no gold,
কি বললাম
no engagement of her own. Now she comes up with garments business.
আগেরটা
তো ভালো।
এটা
হ্যাঁ, ভালো।
সাবমিট না 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 এখানে এটা।
It
তারপরেরটা এইটা
has been submitted to the
না was 7 has presently started a garment business for earning her living. Stop. Next. The
I'm submitting that. You will stay in the meeting only for changes.
whatever
No,
that is for
no.
the court to decide. Where from did you get the money?
Where she is
Where
mistaking the
from
court.
did you get the money to repay the loan amount?
I have some money. Therefore, my lord, I repaid it.
How? Where from did you get the money to repay the loan?
My common friends and some relatives
Common
have
friends.
helped me.
You have got very helpful friends, I see. Very helpful friends. Very uncommon nowadays. আচ্ছা যেখানে বলেছিলাম যে by repaying the loan amount, yes, the সেইখানে add হবে the amount for repaying the loan was provided to the respondent number 7
My lord, only one thing.
By
my
her,
lord, a very important
by
thing.
her friends and well-wishers.
A very important thing, my lord, that is being missed, my lord.
What
She's
is it?
claiming that the gold belongs to her. See who had taken the loan in place. That person who posed as Central Crime Bureau officer. It was Baba Idhar who took the loan. হ্যাঁ, I have the loan document. IIFL থেকে produce করতে বলো।
Give all those documents to the police. আচ্ছা, the police is directed to file
Loan নিচ্ছে বাবা Idhar।
file an updated report with regard to the progress of the investigation. Which is the FIR?
My lord, excellent. Khorda. My lord, page 58 to 66. FIR and the written complaint, the petition of
58.
Second. My lord, the impugned FIR, my lord, it would appear, my lord, at page 62, the petition of complaint, the 156.3 that was lodged.
Formal FIR has been registered or
yes,
not?
yes,
Which
yes.
one?
Yes. Second. 59.
59 is 498A, 468. Acha.
directed to file an application.
FIR number 256
Report the investigation.
of FIR number 256/24 dated 27th of April 2024. ঠিক আছে? The leave is granted to the petitioner to forward to the police all documents in support of his allegation in the complaint.
It's already forwarded. That is by way of a scissor list.
The
they've accepted
documents
also.
that
Yes,
you
also all those.
very well, then the police will come up with an
Now, Bharat,
updated
the interesting fact is that she says that it belongs to her, whereas the
us-
loan is being taken by the person Babaidar, who is the respondent, common friend.
take all these things back. Service is taken on record. Police report is taken on record. These are to be returned. List on 17th of July,
17 July.
17. 17th is a holiday. 16th of July. আচ্ছা 18th 18 তারিখ ওই যে বলছে মহরম আছে আমাদের তো এখনো